Hey guys, welcome to Daintree JD. I wanted to talk a little bit about an issue I had very briefly, albeit I was out on the road. I'd just done an oil change, new fuel filter. What else did I do? There was a few things I did anyway, just basic maintenance. And car was running fine before, took it out, running fairly well, but I noticed there was a slight surge in it. It was a bit strange. I thought I might have picked up dirty fuel or something like that. But I went on and I went for it was about a 300 kilometre trip, and it got considerably worse. Now I got back down the range into Cairns and I nearly stalled at the lights, and I'm wondering what the hell is going on. This is super weird. Anyhow, I had to keep the revs up a fair bit, and eventually I got home. I was quite concerned I was going to stall it somewhere along the road. Anyway, I got home, put the car aside, popped open the bonnet, had a look, couldn't see a thing. And I recall that there was a fuel filter that was given to me, or that I purchased, and it was a bit of a, it was just part of the service I was doing. And I recall the lady talking about the fuel filter had been upgraded because it was different, and there were some issues when you bought a non-genuine landcruiser fuel filter. This is a diesel 105 that I have. Anyhow, I thought I'll just check it just in case. I got the right aftermarket one, but maybe it was in the wrong packaging. Pulled it out, nah, it was fine. Put it back in, pressurised the fuel filter, and I noticed there was a bit of a drip down the bottom, and I'm thinking, well, what's going on here? Or it was dripping quite a lot. Took it off, inspected it, put it back together. Thought I may have not tightened up the butterfly bleeder down the bottom. Anyway, pressurised it again. Shit, more fuel come out, and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Sorry for the swearing. Anyhow, I pulled it off again and I removed that butterfly valve, took it out, and what I noticed was this little O-ring is basically flat, quite brittle on that butterfly bleeder. So I took it off and put a new one on, and lo and behold, that was the problem. It was pulling air in through there and creating a huge issue with surging and nearly stalling it. So I suppose my thoughts is the next time I change the filter, which will probably be in the next 6 months or so, I'm going to pop that really cheap piece in, a new O-ring. Really easy to do, and you might as well do it, and it'll save you some dramas down the track. I imagine it's such a cheap fix, but it could have had a detrimental effect out in the field, and I go off site and I go quite remote. If I had had a breakdown and really in the heat, not knowing really what it was, it could have been a real drama. So I'm going to make that part of my maintenance plan, and I'm going to replace that each time, each service basically, of the fuel system. Alright guys, just wanted to share that with you. Let us know what you think, if you've had that issue before, or if it's helped you out. Leave a comment and give me a thumbs up if you like it, or thumbs down if you didn't. Either way. Thanks guys, talk to you soon. Bye.